I'm Dave with Amber Waves Adventures. In this video, we're going to do an in-depth review of the iKamper cooking system. So this is the way it rides when we pack it up, and it's all completely packed up. I'll show you the way we pack it after we unpack it, and I'll give you a little demonstration. We're not going to do any cooking right now. It's just a review on the iKamper Disco cooking system. So this is how we store it in a 10-gallon Sterilite tote. It may fit in other totes, but this works in our environment for our situation. If you go on the iKamper website, they do have some bags and storage solutions for you. But the interesting thing is, if you look at the reviews, you can't get the disc in there. It doesn't fit. So this works for us, and we will show you how we do it. Make sure I got my notes here. So this is the disc. It's 15 3/4 inches. This is what the disc goes on, the leg of the tripod. You just turn these little knobs to get them extended. Then they've got this really cool stove. And this stove can be used as a standalone unit. I've got the adapter on here for the propane. You can use this with butane as well. Typically, we use it with propane the majority of the time, and we have a bigger tank that we can hook to it. And we've got these little brackets. I've got all these little accessories in this little zip bag. These little brackets, they're like so. And that's how that fits in there. There's another little device. Once you hook the propane up, okay, once you get it set up like this, you're ready to cook. The advantage of this system is it eliminates pots and pans. We still take a couple of things, because sometimes I'll go ahead and boil water and cook the pasta if we're doing spaghetti or chicken Alfredo or something like that. So things do go a little bit quicker, but it does eliminate some pots and pans. So the disc goes on like so. And there's a couple little other things. Some handles here. And you have a table. Rotate this around. Now, the competitor with this is obviously a scuttle. This is not a scuttle. They named it a iKamper Disco. This is smaller than the scuttle. The scuttle is 18 inches in diameter, and this is only 15 3/4 inches in diameter. And the way we have this kit, this system set up, it weighs 28 pounds, which I don't think that's too bad for what you can do with it. All right? So this, the stove, as I previously mentioned, you can use that as a standalone. If you just had a pot, you just want to warm up some water or what have you there, you can do that. and it's just a little bit over 8,000 BTUs is what it's rated at. And this company is out of Kent, Washington. And now, as of this video, they're running a sale on this thing. It's normally $515 retail, and now it's $412. So I just found that out today. I think it's well worth the money. So this is a cast iron, and I think this is pronounced Mennonite or something like that, but it's got this enamel coating on it. It's pretty cool. You should not use any metal utensils on this. You should only use the plastic or wood. And the other things in the kit is we've got our infrared, which you need, and then we also have a food thermometer, which that's important too. So, and again, to compare, the Scottle kit is $595, and it does come with a dome and some other accessories. You can get on their website and look at that. And it also comes with a Kavia stove, and this does not come with the dome. I have purchased the little collapsible bowl dome from Blackstone, and that seems to work if we need to use something of that nature. And what I like about it, this has a detachable table, and I've got some other hooks and things in here. We want to hang some utensils. The table that comes with the Scottle must be fed through the leg. So I'm not saying that's an advantage or disadvantage, just giving you some things to think about. Obviously adjustable legs on this. And also you'll notice this pulley, and there's a chain system that goes with it. I'm not going to get that out now. I'm going to do a separate video on that. We'll cook over a campfire. I've never cooked over a campfire. Haven't really had the need, but this is the chain system. And you can take this system and take the disc and hook it in and raise and lower over the campfire. I know some people cook over the portable campfires and stuff. I've seen that done before, but we've never done that. So the thing you're going to need to be concerned with, this thing really gets hot. So there's going to be a little bit of a learning curve. You want to cook it slow and low, and if you do that, I think you'll come out okay on it. So let's see. We've got all of that. Again, it's a very simple system. It's not complicated, and we've had this system right at 2 years, and we even use it sometimes in the backyard to grill out. So and it will cook a lot of different things, as you'll see on some of the future videos that we're going to do. We're going to cook some food, and I think our next cooking video is going to be Carolina Ranch burger. So stay tuned for that. We enjoy those. So if you have any questions or any comments, put them in the comment section. And what we're going to do now, we're going to adjourn, and I'll meet you back over at the whiteboard, and I'm going to give you a review. We're going to do the famous whiteboard review. Welcome back. Now we're going to do the whiteboard review on the iKamper Disco cooking system. Here's your contact information, iKamper.com. The quality, I would give them 5 stars. This is a solid built product. They really been innovative with the products, and again, you can go on their website and they have a bunch of other stuff as well. But I would give this a 5-star rating for their quality. As far as versatility, most definitely 5 stars, because you eliminate some pots and pans. And once you get through your learning curve, it's not a bad learning curve either, folks. So once you get past that, you can really cook some good stuff. We've really enjoyed doing that. Their website, I would give them a 5-star. It's easy to navigate around. You can find all the information you need about the iKamper, plus their other products, so on and so forth. Their price, I think the price point is good for what you're getting. And again, the versatility and the quality, so I don't have an issue with that. The last thing I'm going to grade them on is customer service, and I would give them a 3-star rating there, and here's why. They don't have a phone number. And I've told you in some of my previous videos, if you're selling a product and you're paying this price point, $400 or $500, I think you need to have somebody answering the phone to take care of a 2-minute conversation that can answer some questions. They do have the email thing you send in and they'll get back with you, but it didn't say when they would get back with you. I've never had a customer service issue, and they may have great customer service, but because they don't have a phone number that we can call and ask them a quick question, that's why I gave them this rating. But overall, I think it's a great product, and we've enjoyed using it, and we're going to continue to use it, and you'll see it more in some of the Amber Waves Adventures videos. So with that, I'm going to say thank you for watching. We appreciate you tuning in. It's because of you that we're growing, and we're honored and humbled by that. And we'll see you on the next video. And until then, you take care, stay safe, and God bless.